The Royal Welsh College brass section played a very good start in this fanfare. A little bit careful in the beginning, I would say. I'd wish for a little bit more confident trumpet playing. Also, the intonation could have been improved from the beginning. Sometimes also the intonation had some issues in the crescendos where, as normal, when you press the lips against the mouthpiece as a brass player, you sometimes get a higher intonation. And it's very tempting to do that while doing the crescendo. So you've got to be really careful so that you almost remove the instrument from your face while doing this crescendo to maintain the intonation. And this became better throughout the program, though. Precision was good. Well, I think that's all about the fanfare. The Renaissance music that they played, I felt were very, very good together. I mean, the precision and the balance was great. It was sometimes a little boring during those stretches in the beginning of Cantabile, which I wish could be played a little bit more phrased towards some notes so that it didn't become too flat, so to speak. Another thing they could have done is to vary the articulation somehow. Instead of always playing could have sometimes become a little bit more stressed sometimes, perhaps. In the faster section, I wish they could have played a little bit more dancey, and I get back to that later. It's, after all, dance-inspired music, and it could also have some elements of some small ornaments here and there. That's allowed as long as it's not too much of it. In the Bachelor, I wish that the trombone player could have played a little bit more soloistic from beginning. It was very solid, but it could have taken more liberty, you could say, and deliver the message a little bit more clear. Also, the hairpin dynamics in the rest of the band could have been a little bit more consciously done. When we enter the 7/8 passage, which comes a little bit later, I was floored by the precision of the playing. The whole orchestra played with a fantastic precision and accuracy, and also the balance of this. They must have worked a lot on getting that correctly, and also the tuba playing together with the horn, together with the trumpet, was really, really good. So not much to say technically there, but there is a little thing that needs to be added here, and that is the dance aspect of this music. Even though it's complicated and they've nailed it, they should now be on this point in their careers or in their development of the music that they can take more liberty and really let go a little bit more. The way forward for this ensemble, as I see it, is to let go a little bit more. Not a little bit, actually quite a bit. They are all very, very good players, and they have reached a very good level of technical musicianship. And they worked very hard not to do mistakes, and they've managed to do that. As far as I see it now, it's time to leave some of that technical control to the automatic functions of the body. Don't think about playing correctly, but just trust that the body does it.